After you have imported a product merge file, it is recommended that you action the merges as soon as possible. From the Stock Manager module, navigate to the Products menu and select Product Merges. In the Product Merges window, the Master column lists products that will remain in your database, and the Slave column lists products that will be merged into the master product. If you have auto-merging configured, the products that qualify for auto-merging will be merged during the end-of-day process. Alternatively, whether you have auto-merging configured or not, you may choose to auto-merge eligible products immediately. To do so, click the Auto-Merge button, then click OK. Once the merging has taken place, the Auto-Merge window displays the results of the Auto-Merge action. Click OK to close this window. The Product Merges window now displays the outstanding product merges. The remaining merges, or all merges if you have chosen not to auto-merge, must be merged individually. To do so, highlight a row to action and then click Merge. The Product Merge window displays the details of the master and slave products and a preview of the final merged product that will remain. Use the radio buttons to select which product attributes should remain on the final product. The master name will always be used, and the barcode that is not selected will be added to the final product as the alternate barcode. Check your choices in the Preview column and then tick the Confirm Preview checkbox. To merge the products together and add a label to your label queue, click Merge and Queue Label. This option should be used if the product is stocked. Use Merge to merge the products together where a label is not required. Repeat this process for all products that need to be merged. For further information about product merges, please refer to the Minfos Help Centre.